Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to calculate median for grouped data. Here we can see the formula of median. This is the formula of median, and in this part we have the description of the formula. So let's start step by step. We can see an example of a group data which is grouped into 5 class intervals. The first step to calculate the median is calculate the cumulative frequencies. Cumulative frequencies. Here we can calculate the cumulative frequency of each class. Always remember, while calculating the median, we prefer to use the less than type cumulative frequency. For the first class, the cumulative frequency is 5. For the second class, it is 5 plus 8, that is 12. That will be 13. For the third one, it will be 13 plus 12, which is equals to 25. For the next one, it will be 25 plus 7, that is equals to 32. And for the last one, it will be 32 plus 3, which is 35. The next step is calculate capital N by 2. Capital N is what? Capital N is the total observation. So here capital N will be the summation of all the frequencies, which is similar to the cumulative frequency of the last class interval, that is 35. If we add all these frequencies, we will get 35. So n by 2 is 35 by 2, that is 17.5. Now the next step is identify median class. The median class is the class which contains the cumulative frequency which is equal to n by 2 or is just higher than the value of n by 2. Here we got n by 2 is 17.5. Now from this table we have to identify that class where the cumulative frequency is equal to or just higher than 17.5. So in our data, this class 20 to 30 includes the cumulative frequency 25, which is just higher than n by 2, that is 17.5. So in this example, the median class is 20 to 30. The next step is put the values into the formula. Put the values into the formula. Now we have already seen the formula here. Just next step is just we have to put the values into this formula. What is L? L is the lower limit of median class. What is median class? This is the median class. This is the median class. Now what is the lower limit? That is 20. So 20 plus capital N by 2. Capital N by 2 is 17.5. 17.5 minus capital F. F is, what is F? See, F is the cumulative frequency of the frequency before median class. Our median class is 20 to 30. So capital F will be the cumulative frequency before the median class. So it is 13 divided by small f, that is the frequency of the median class. The frequency of the median class is 12 into age, which is nothing but the class width. Here the class width is 10. So if we simplify this, we will get by 12 into 10, that is 20 plus 45 by 12. Again, if we simplify this, we will get 23 point something. I hope it is 23.75. Yes, it will be 23.75. So this is the required median of our data. This is the required median of our data, and that's how you calculate the median for group data. I think it is helpful for all of you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Thank you.